You've come back for part 2, have you? Excellent. Well, in part 1 I did Kate's makeup, and now in part 2 I'll be demonstrating Kate's hair, and then we will get to see the complete finished look. So I'm going to take a few baby hairs out and leave those out there. So I'm sorry, Kate, if this is going to annoy you, leaving these hairs out. But to be fair, you are an evil queen, so there's got to be some perks to the job, right?
This is true.
Yeah. So those bits are going to stay out like that. I don't want it to be a bit messy at the front, just these flyaway hairs. Just going to section the hair into 3 sections, so 2 at the side and 1 at the back. And I'm going to clip these side sections out of the way for now. Lovely. And then the rest of this hair I'm just going to take back into a ponytail. I know you've seen me do it before, but I'm just going to take a hairband and 2 pins and create a bungee. So put 1 pin one side and another pin on the other. And I'm just going to pop that 1 pin in the hair and then wrap the hairband around and then secure it with the other pin. This gives you a really nice, secure foundation. So just turn your head slightly, Kate, so people can see. Lovely. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take this section of hair now, and I'm going to divide it into 2 plaits. Well, two sections first. Each section is going to be a plait. So with one section, just going to quickly just pin it out of the way so it's not going to interfere. And then with each section, divide that into 3. And then just do a simple braid. So the outer section always goes over the middle section. And just continue that all the way down. And then once you've done with this plait, then do the other side. Just teasing the hairs a little bit out there, just to make the braid fuller. So just gently pull the sides of the braid. It gives the appearance of a fuller braid, more hair. Lovely. So there's one. It's got some hair padding here, and it's half of a bun ring, as you can see. And I'm going to put that underneath the ponytail. Just pin that in. Okay. Got some hair extensions that I've matched to Kate's hair, and I'm going to take a weft with 3 clips. I'm going to put that right above the ponytail. Just clip that in. Spray that hair with a bit of hairspray. And then I'm going to backcomb this hair extension. and that's going to cover the bun ring. Okay, just going to pin this hair. So I haven't back combed all the way down. This is really, the back combing is just to help me get the coverage to cover this bun ring. I'm just going to pin that in underneath. Now don't worry about these clips, I mean you won't see them at the end. I'm going to cover those. You're right, Kate, that's not digging in or anything,
no,
is it?
No, not at all.
No, good. So you'll be left with some little tails like that. And then I'm just going to just pop a little bit more back combing in the ends. And then just bring that up underneath Kate's actual hair, the plaits we've done there. Just pin the ends of the hair underneath those plaits there. So you've got the base of hair there. You can't, it's messy, but you know it's going to be covered. I'm going to cover that with these plaits, like so. First of all though, I've got some other hair extensions from the same way. You've got a full head of hair, and what I've done is I've plaited some of them and I have threaded some wire through, so this gives me some structure. And then continuing on the theme of the, the carbon theme, I've just popped in some of this black shiny hair and body makeup and popped some crystals on just in the centre, again with eyelash glue. Now I'd only ever suggest doing this with hair extensions. I wouldn't do this with your own hair because you will never get the eyelash glue out because it's latex based. But with some hair extensions, and they don't have to be expensive ones to do this, and you know, it's quite effective really. So I'm just going to pin those in really just on the base, and I'm going to also pin some in underneath that bun we've made as well. I'm going to leave them out for now. I will pin them into place once I have worked out where these plaits are going to go. So I've popped them all in. It's looking kind of hilarious right now because they're all pinned into the padding and around. And now I'm going to work these plaits around so that you don't see the clips, and just pin them into place really. So here, you can manipulate the hair, as I always say, and just pin your hair into place. Okay, so now I can work out where these wired plaits are going to go, and I'm just going to use them as a loop really, I think, and just have fun loops of hair, loops of plaits just poking out at the back here. That's going to be a bit fun, so I'm just going to work out where they're going to go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having a bit of fun here, just placing these plaits. Bit of a cage-like effect. And I'm not terribly bothered about symmetry. There's the same amount on both sides, but they're not like, 100% symmetrical. I'm happy with that because it looks more organic that way, I think. So, it's mainly the back done, I think. I'm just going to give that a bit of hairspray. Lovely. Okay, so leave these side sections down now. I'm going to get Kate's crown that I made. And fit that in before I work these side bits of hair into the hairstyle around the crown. I crown thee, Queen Kate. Okay, how does that feel?
Yeah, it feels
alright?
cool.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Lovely. So just as long as you're comfortable, because I really, I don't want you to be feeling uncomfortable. So I'm just going to work these bits of hair around now. So what I'm probably going to do actually is plait the top section. So I'll put these side sections into two sections. So I'm going to plait this top bit here. Just make sure those bits of hair are still outside of the hair. Just going to loosely plait in this top bit of hair. Just going to bring this plait round and hide the headband from the crown. And I'm just going to pin it into place. And then with this last bit here, just going to pull out slightly, just gently tease the hair, and then pin it into place there. Lovely, okay, I'll do the same on the other side. So with this end bit of hair, I'm just going to twist it, and then I can easily hide it. And then we can pin that. Okay. Oh my goodness, suitably gothic and cool.
Suitably.
Suitably gothic, yes. I'm sorry about these annoying bits of hair. You do look amazing. Okay, cool. Alright. It's reveal time.
Oh my god. The plaits. Oh, it's so gothic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm very, very pleased. Even the swishy bits here.
And your eyes look amazing. They look piercing.
Yeah, you can see like how with you getting like lighter pigment there it really makes it pop a bit more, doesn't it? Like that's what I can see. Oh,